Today, our Felvon engineering team is completing a meticulous installation at a Pilates studio in Jakarta. From the very first unboxing to the final touch, every step is carried out with care, precision, and intention. Our professional team follows a strict installation protocol, ensuring every component is aligned, secured, and tested to deliver true safety, stability, and long-lasting performance. BTA-KBG, operating under ISO 9001 certification, guarantees that each Felvon product upholds international quality standards. Paired with premium German springs, the system delivers strength, durability, and a remarkably smooth resistance. Throughout the process, our engineers carefully calibrate resistance, balance, and motion, so every movement on the reformer feels seamless, refined, and effortless. Felvon is not only about creating equipment. We provide full installation services across Indonesia, bringing professional craftsmanship to every studio we serve. For inquiries, contact us at 081181-6678. Find our showroom on Google or Waze Seluruh Indonesia. Felvon, the art of balance.